Welcome fans back to another unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. This is in Mix 2. This name, it's been around for a whole lot of years, and you probably know it. It's King Krunch with that trophy truck body. So we're gonna go ahead and look at it, unbox it, of course. On the back of the box we have Son of a Digger. There's Monster Rottweiler, Scarlet Bandit, Grave Digger, Hurricane Force, Jester, and Max D. So King Krunch is in the Retro Rebels mini-series. So King Krunch has been around since 1983, so that's a very long time. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Here we go, we get a little blue figurine for King Krunch. So let's bring in King Krunch. Now this body design is actually the first design by Spin Master that looks kind of like a trophy truck. In 2013 it was actually called the Lone Star Monster Truck, temporarily named on the Robbie Gordon Stadium Monster Truck events. This design continued in 2014 with the name of King Krunch. It looks pretty cool. One of the things that I see right away is that barbed wire. Here's the front view, and then we also get a sponsor on top. Very nice. And on sponsor on the roof of the truck. Coming along with King Krunch on the opposite side. Those black wheels and tires and that black chassis give it a nice offset for the colors to come out on the body of the truck. On the back, it's just wide open, nothing there. There we have a black piece of the die-cast body to hold down the body in the back. I hope that you've been enjoying these unboxing videos that I've been uploading from Spin Master. So more of Mix 2 will be coming your way.